Hey, it's Jay with the Cooling and Plumbing Company, and we're on a double install today. We're upgrading these systems. Originally, we only had a 4-ton, and we bumped this one to a 5-ton, and then this one was a 3-ton, and we bumped this one to a 3.5-ton. Well, that's an extra 600 square feet of cooling capacity that can perform in a house. The AC systems are typically undersized for Arizona. Most AC systems are designed in a clean room at 95 degrees, 400 square feet per ton. There's not a day in our summer that's 95 degrees, so you need to make sure that your air conditioning systems are sized accordingly to the square footage of the house. The better you have the system set up is the less it'll run, the longer it'll last, and the more efficient it'll be. Now it's time to take a look at the inside. We're swapping out some old tired furnaces and coils with some new 9-speed Goodman furnaces and evaporative coils.